I wanted to give you a general overview before I give the floor to Ana and Alejandro. This is not as complicated as it seems, and this was a very particular case. Normally, in the eLife project, we just have the students, the teachers in both schools, and one coach. But at this point, we had two coaches, well, two in Spain and one in France. We had the students at the center of this process. And then we had Emilio Bosch and Maria Pilar Pellicer. They were the teachers who worked in the school where Alejandro is now working. They are on leave right now and they can't present this, but Alejandro is going to do a very good job anyway. And then the teacher in France was called Claire Chandier. She was also writing her master's degree dissertation. And then Anna, who's writing her master's degree dissertation, as I said before, and Hector, a student of mine who was writing his final degree dissertation, went to the school, helped the teachers, helped the students, and also collected the data for their respective studies. So that's for you to have an overall picture of what this exchange looked like at the point. Okay, so now the floor is yours, Ana and Alejandro, and I will mute myself.
Perfect.